What if you could use AI to earn money before the fireworks start? Stay until the end for the tip that brings repeat income. First, use AI tools like ChatGPT and Canva to create custom July 4th greeting cards. You can write fun or heartfelt messages and design patriotic art for families or small businesses. Sell your digital cards on Facebook, Etsy, or Fiverr for $5 to $15 each. Making greeting cards is a creative way to earn money quickly, and you do not need to be a professional designer. AI makes it simple to create and deliver your cards online, and you can make several in just a few hours. If you enjoy this kind of work, you will want to see tip number 5 for a way to sell your designs all year. Offering custom cards is a fast side hustle that can help you earn extra cash this weekend. You can even make cards for realtors or local businesses who want to stand out. Remember, tip 5 will show you how to turn this into a repeat business. Recommendation number 2. Build a July 4th party pack using AI for people hosting barbecues or parties. ChatGPT can write a party invitation, and DALL-E or Canva can create table signs or food labels. Put everything into a printable PDF and sell your kit on Gumroad or Etsy. You can make a version for kids' parties or add extra decorations for more value. This is a great way to help busy hosts save time and have a fun event. If you prefer working with video instead of PDFs, tip number 3 is for you. Selling party packs is quick to start, and you can use the same idea for other holidays. Try offering your kits in local Facebook groups or on social media. And do not forget, tip 5 will show you how to make this a steady source of income. And number 3, offer an AI-edited fireworks recap video service for people who record holiday events. Ask users to send you 5 to 10 video clips, then use CapCut or Descript to edit, add music, and create a highlight reel. You can charge $15 to $50 per video and deliver a polished memory for families or friends. Many people want to share their holiday moments, but do not have time to edit videos. AI tools make it easy to cut, subtitle, and add effects in minutes. Post your service in local Facebook groups to find customers quickly. This is a simple way to earn money with AI, especially during busy holidays. You can even offer a rush service for people who want their videos fast. In tip 5, you will learn how to automate these offers for every holiday. Number 4, use AI to write last-minute holiday deals or promo emails for local businesses. Offer a 1-hour copywriting service using ChatGPT to write a short email or Instagram caption for $25. Add a call to action and suggest emojis or hashtags to help businesses reach more customers quickly. Many small businesses need help with marketing, especially right before a holiday. You can pitch your service on Craigslist, Alignable, or by messaging local business accounts. This is a fast way to earn money and help others at the same time. Writing promo copy with AI is a skill you can use for any holiday or event. Businesses often need this service on short notice, so you can get paid quickly. Finally, launch a holiday content kit subscription using AI tools for every major U.S. holiday. Use ChatGPT to write captions and fun facts, and DALL-E to create art like flags or fireworks, then bundle everything into a monthly download. Sell your kit on Gumroad or Notion for $5 per month or $30 per year, so you earn repeat income with less work. With a subscription model, you can turn your holiday ideas into a real business. AI tools make it easy to create and update your kits. This is a smart way to scale your creative work and help people all year long. Subscribers get new content for each holiday, and you only need to create the kit once per month. It is one of the best ways to build a steady side hustle or even boost your 401k. As a recap, here are 5 ways to make money with AI before the fireworks start. Make custom greeting cards, build July 4th party packs, sell AI-edited fireworks videos, write holiday deals for businesses, and start a holiday content kit subscription. Each idea is quick to start and does not require special skills. You can use these tips to earn extra cash or even grow your 401k. Pick one and try it today. AI makes it easier than ever to start a side hustle. Make your holiday weekend count. Check back on this channel, The Zennial Files, for future advice.